Here at IV Tutoring, we like to make things fun, so here we have our tyramine trouble, MAO inhibitors, and the sandwich-induced crisis. Now, how could a sandwich induce a crisis? Well, tyramine is usually harmless. It's broken down in the gut by monoamine oxidase. But when you give a MAO inhibitor, then the tyramine gets into the bloodstream, and that's where it displaces norepinephrine from storage vesicles. So the result is a dangerous surge of blood pressure, headache, sympathetic overdrive. MAO inhibitors block monoamine degradation and not reuptake, degradation. And so always ask about somebody's diet when they're taking anti or treatment-resistant depression medicines. Always ask about the diet because they can't be having a lot of cheese or a fancy sandwich because it could be very lethal. So let's break this down. We got a 39-year-old man with refractory depression. He's got headache, palpitations, elevated blood pressure after eating charcuterie and cheese. Now he's tremulous and diaphoretic. Which step in handling is blocked by the antidepressant? So he's taking a MAO inhibitor. So this breakdown of the monoamines by mitochondrial enzyme is what's being blocked here. You're blocking the breakdown. So MAO inhibitors inhibit the breakdown of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, increasing their synaptic levels. That's how it works. So tyramine displaces the norepinephrine in the nerve terminals, and that causes a hypertensive crisis. So trap answers why they're wrong. Receptor binding, that's going to be blocked in your antipsychotics or dopamine blockers. Presynaptic reuptake, that's your SSRIs, TCAs, SNRIs. That's your reuptake mechanisms. Reuptake inhibition of serotonin, that's norepinephrine or dopamine. The MAOs act out through a different mechanism. They're going to be preventing your degradation. Okay, so the tyramine that's found in the aged cheese is going to escape the GI degradation, and it's going to enter circulation, and it'll displace your norepinephrine, causing a massive sympathetic surge. So you'll get hypertension, sweating, tachycardia, intracranial hemorrhaging. If you thought this was helpful, then like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.